Good morning. Now we are talking about Connect, okay, Unit 4, and that's the title or Unit 4 is about where do you live? When I am asking you where do you live, you will answer that you are living in a house or in an apartment, okay? So, in your house or in your apartment, it has elements or parts. These parts like what? Like kitchen, like bedroom, like bathroom, like living room, balcony. Okay, so let's see these places in photos. Like what? Like kitchen. Kitchen here. Which one? C. Bedroom. Which one? D. Bathroom. Which one? E. Living room. Which one? F. Dining room. B. Balcony. A. So what we are doing in kitchen, we do lunch, breakfast, and dinner, and we can wash dishes, right? Number 2, bedroom. What we are doing there, we are sleeping there. We can sleep there, right? Bathroom. What we can do there, we can do, right? We go to the bathroom to do things, relating to bathroom. Number 4, living room. We are sitting there and watch TV. Dining room, we're sitting there to have our breakfast, our lunch, our dinner, and we eat there, right? We can eat there. Number 6, balcony. Balcony, you can sit there and watch, like for example, people, and we can watch another places, and we can breathe their fresh air, okay? So let's have here the difference between apartment and house. Apartment is a small place, okay, and you have their neighbors, okay. These neighbors can be above you, and bottom of you, okay. And apartment is a small part of house, okay, or we can call it a really small part of block of flats, okay, like in the photo. So house here is a big place, really wide, really big. You can live there with your family, okay, and you don't have any neighbors above you or bottom of you, but you have neighbors beside you, okay. So that is the difference. We have another one, houseboat and tent. Houseboat here, like what? We can, if we look carefully about this, it's just two words, house and the boat, right? So we are living in house, and boat just float on the water. So you have house and you have boat in the same time, okay. Tent, what is meaning of tent? Tent here, like a small place, okay, you make by your hand, okay, and some equipment in the desert to stay there. So there are a big difference. Boats here, the houseboat in what? In the water, and tent in where? In desert, like in photos, okay. So let's here see more places, okay, and know their definition. Number 1, my grandparents live in a cave. So what is meaning of cave? Cave here means the rooms of their house are in the rock. Inside it is never too hot or too cold. So the definition of cave here, the rooms of their house are in the rock, okay. Inside it's never too hot or too cold. Number 2, my aunt moved to a new apartment, okay, with her family. So they are very happy because they have a big balcony, okay. So if I am talking about a balcony or a big balcony, so it means what? It means apartment. Number 3, my friend and her family live on a houseboat, okay. It is small, but she loves living on water. So if I'm talking about a house and this house in the water, so it will be what? It will be houseboat. Okay. Number 4. In the desert, some people live in a tent. Okay. So the place that people live in a desert, we call it tent. This home is made of cloth. So that home or that tent made of what? Made of clothes. Okay. Number 5. I love living in a house because it is big. My grandparents live with us. I can play outside with my brother and my sister. So in house you are living with your family, okay, and you can play there because the house, like I said before, is big. Okay, so let's take preposition of places. Okay, so what means of preposition? Prepositions of places helps me to recognize or to describe things. For example, I want to say the ball on the table. So you understand here, or you understood that the ball on the table. So I described that the ball on the table. So preposition of places describe what? Describe the noun. Okay. Okay. So let's take the preposition here. Number 1, we have on. Number 2, between, behind, next to, in front of, above, under, in. Okay. So let's take some examples. I want to say the tent next to the car. Okay. So it will be the tent is next to the car. Look carefully here. You can see car, you can see tent. The car and the tent are what? Are next to each other. Number 2, there is a plant behind the couch, right? So if you look carefully to the photo, you can see plants. That's right. These plants, the place of the plant were behind. That's right. Behind what? Behind the couch. Number 3, the pink house is between the red house and the yellow house. Okay, if you look to the photo, you can see yellow house and red house. Between them what? Between them pink house. There are, number 4, there are 4 chairs and a table in the balcony. Look carefully to the balcony here. You can see 4 chairs, okay, and a table. Okay, where the 4 chairs and a table? In the balcony. Okay, so we will take some directions here, like go straight ahead, turn left, turn right. Okay. Okay, so number 1, we can take go straight ahead. Number 2, turn left. Number 3, turn right. Number 4, take the second right. Okay. Number 5, it's on the corner. I use these directions if I want to describe to someone a place he want to go there. Okay. Okay. In example number 7, read and put the directions in the correct order. Okay. So we will describe a direction to somebody. We will tell him, number 1, he asking me, excuse me, where is the post office? He asking here about the post office. Okay, so I will tell him how he can go there. I will tell him first, go straight ahead. Okay, number 2, go straight ahead. Number 3, and turn right. Number 4, take the second left. Number 5, it's on the corner. Number 6, thank you. He will tell me, or he will tells me thank you. Okay, at the end, thank you, I hope you understand this. We will take the next time and the part 2. Okay.